Adaya Mama Adela Dum City War. Mama Sagapaya no War, the Shiri was over的就东北啊，这不了这不今天现在就那我们耳朵说的多嘛高松嘛，我稍微就是叫做吃不着嘛，那没说到什么，那没说到路，那没说到路怎么上班这个地就叫的，你们车头地是怎么？地就归厂那个地就经过这边的这查这路对的叫做多嘛地线啥的，啥也那么脏的就切包不我这边他妈的娱乐现在对我的我没多少讲都8月早的去啥就有叫过年做了个地了呢，现在感觉我把搞那个别人现在大家那就或者就也接受了对这个上面帮助这个叫这个那啊，这多说。上边都在这些地方，也都在这些，也都是那么的上。我们的话也别到不了我们这家现在的话，那些都把那个啥吧，我这不了我们这个花东夜的我们6点我们下的我光顾着跟着那人东马今天还有讲那什么阿拉刚把的配备这边阿龙给的下到把的作业我也刚给你我那里多讲这个
Kewe kodun chamze lo de pe ramne shindu le penda chuni be che sum chilo nidon jame nishu tsadu chinda tambe che nishu tsaji ku lagar saga tunjur gewe nin gande sirdun kang she jelama tsonga ba chembe kodun rinpoche so Ganden tiba rimjuen ke dunden shuyu zula kang ngar pe ganden do shindu shuyu ba shin chege densa ganden do tenda tembar cheba sarsing letu chungwar harje sishi sugen zamre shide Tebe chinor khosa chamgun gewa yishi nurbo kundin chushi ba chenpo choge unje tang tenzo kala ramne chimbib kadin kyana yoba tang ganden sidun ga dinyi sadun gi jinda zowu Ganden changze dora kinsu rinpoche jizun losan tsenpe choge nang yu shen yang tsungme changze choje koso rinpoche choge tungyur nangwa so tenpe jinda yonla tuje kadin tsunpe tenden do jilu nidon jame nishu tsadu chinda tambe se nishu tsaji la
The most auspicious occasion of the year of compassion, commemorating the 90th birthday of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama, on the 3rd day of the 12th Tibetan month of the Wu Snake, year 21 January 2026, a day of harmonious body, speech, and mind, and favorable planetary alignment. His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama graciously broasted and inaugurations and consecration blessing upon the Ganden Sirdung Khang Golden Reliquary Temple, the principal pattern of sacred construction is the Venerable Ganden Changze Dora Khyentse Rinpoche Jejun Lobsang Table with the profound support from the Changze Chögyal Gozo Rinpoche and all benefactors. This temple stands as a lasting memorial of gratitude and devotion dedicated to the flourishing of the Buddha Dharma and the benefit of all sentient beings.